My name's Cameron, but you can call me Wheelie C. This is the story of how I joined the Senedd. One day I was at home ill from school. I then decided to look on the internet for things I could do, because I was bored. I came across my school's website, so I had a look. On there I found information about the Senedd the Wrexham Youth Parliament. I asked my friends from school if anyone knew anything about it. I was directed to the Guildhall and they got me in touch with the participation team, who sorted the forms for me. I went and met them, received the forms, and found out a lot more information about the Senedd. I filled in all the forms and my first day was helping out at play day, and I gave out the prizes to the children, and I really enjoyed my first day. Now, over a year on, I have been involved with a lot of projects, but my favourite was the work with Public Health Wales. We helped to produce a young person's annual quality statement which had lots of health advice for young people. I then chaired a summit conference to launch the annual quality statement. This piece of work won a national award, Championing of the Public at the PENA Awards, the Patient Experience Network National Awards, and I love being part of the Senedd.